Hey, if you are running a Zoom meeting and you want to invite people, where is the button? I'll show you exactly where it is. So you go into participants here, click on participants, whoop, there we go. And then you've got this invite button. Now when you click on invite, what you can do is you can email them, all right? Or else you can just go over here to copy invite link, and then that will give you the URL, the link that they need to click to log in to the meeting. Now, you can also give them the longer one, copy invitation, which has got a whole lot of details about phone numbers and how to dial in and all of that. So it's more extensive. So that's it, participants and then invitation. Now, two other things. One is subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, because I show you how to connect, how to communicate with your clients, including over Zoom, what to say to them, how to talk, how to hold sales conversations. Subscribe to my channel. But the other thing I want to show you is the Zoom version that you're on. If you click on here, zoom.us, about Zoom, that is going to tell you what version of Zoom you're on. You should be running version 5. This is recorded at the end of June in 2020. So version 5 is what I'm on at the moment. If you're not sure, go into here and check for updates. Okay, all good. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Anthony English. Thank you for watching.